Hello Cancer, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. How are you doing? So I have a news to share now. Great news in terms of astrologically Mercury goes forward. So it's a great news for all of us. Things which were stuck in the last phase or an initial phase, with Mercury going forward, things will start moving. There was a lot of frustration, and there was a little discomfort that things, and you always felt distracted. So that should come over, because there is a lot of hard work done by so many of you, there are in certain phases things got stuck. So that movement is really going to take place now. So great news for all of us. Now let's see what your cards have, Cancer, for you. Page of Rods. So Page of Rods, it's a good news coming to you. Maybe a small good news, a piece of a little good luck coming to you. Page of news is like either that you were waiting. As I told, Mercury retrograde is just over and moving forward now. So you receive a news regarding your job or a business situation, venture that you were looking forward to, towards your money situation. There is certainly some good news coming, but it is a very initial phase, and it might not be that a big great news like life changing, but definitely there is something to rejoice, something to feel good about, Cancer. Ten of Swords. So I feel there was with this Ten of Swords, some of you were looking for a job, and and you were in a very desperate state, a very restless state, because it was difficult to manage finances and all. So this cycle is getting end. The Ten of Cups is getting end to this situation now, and a new cycle for you, a new transformation. Some of you are transforming yourself, some of you are leaving that painful cycle and moving forward. So basically, positive card for you, Cancer, that you are leaving all this pain and backstabbing and deceit or whatever, you job loss behind this cycle, and the new cycle starts for you. Maybe new job for some of you. Money, some money coming to you, because it might have been a difficult situation before. So this is it. The Tower card. So Cancer, there will be some shakeups for some of you. Shake up in the sense, it's not a totally negative thing. When things you did in retrograde, now that the Mercury moves forward, things may not be the same as you were thinking before. The clarity of situation will come. Maybe some businesses or work that you thought would work for you, you will see that it's not working anymore. So there might be falling apart of certain things, maybe partnership, or a job situation which you thought would come over might not come for some of you. But basically, do not get sad, or don't feel because this had to happen. It wouldn't work for you anyway. So when the Tower card comes, it's like universe stepping in to making it fall apart, so that you can work for better things. And this is not for all of you, it's a general reading. It's for some of you with the Tower card. Maybe also you might be feeling a little stressed, Cancer. Lot of work in business and job, lot of work pressure too. Page of Cups. So Page of Cups, again you got a Page of Rods, Page of Cups. So good news good luck for some of you here. This is also a small piece of good luck coming to some of you. So I feel it's a beautiful thing. The message of an interview that you appeared has come. You get the job, or you might be scheduled for the final rounds, or there is a money situation that you have been, sorry, I just picked the card. Money situation that you have been waiting, so it's about, with all this, I feel there's one more card, take the Judgment card. So things from your past, you are getting to know about. So that's what I told you with Mercury retrograde. It could be about finances, it could be about your business, it could be like about work, joint finance, mutual funds, investments, anything that you did in your recent past. With this Judgment card, it comes that things have started coming out now, and also it could be a decision time for some of you. You now need to take decision, and it's okay. Mercury retrograde over, from 13th you can take your decisions, major decisions now. So things, you couldn't take decisions before, so you can go forward with this Judgment card, Cancer. So this is it, Cancer, for this week. I feel work is good, everything is going on smooth. Your family life and work life balance also looks, because you have one Page of Rods, Page of Cups, and it looks for most of you it's gonna be a good week, Cancer. So this is it. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.